So today we're going to go ahead and show you how to use Zelle with Capital One 360. Now, this bank account is going to be different than a lot of other bank accounts when it comes to using Zelle. So something to keep in mind if you don't have Capital One. Although some of the functionalities will probably be very close to one another, some banks will vary in usage. And this is going to be from a desktop version, which we're going to hop on right over here. But the mobile app version works very similar to the actual desktop. So what we're going to want to do is click on one of our accounts. So we have, you can see right over here. Oh, that's a big green line right there. So it says 360 checking. I'm going to go ahead and click on this view account. We're going to jump over to this next screen. All right, so this is that next screen that we go to when we click on the actual account. So this again is our 360 account. You can see some transactions here towards the bottom. We actually did recently do a Zelle money transfer for $40 to somebody else just because we actually needed to. So I figured why not just show you the step-by-steps on this. So you can see right over here, very easily, it actually does show you, says send money with Zelle. Now, if you haven't ever used Zelle, it'll actually have you set up the account while you click on this, which will either ask for your email or the phone number. You can do both if you wanted to. And then which account the money is gonna be pulled from and go into from your account if you have multiple different Capital One accounts. Now, if for some reason you don't see Zelle right over here on this part of the screen, you can click on account services and settings right over here, and then you should definitely see the option for Zelle right here. Now what we're going to do is click on this option right over here and we're going to jump over to that next page. So this actually just pops up a little window above what we were just at. So we still have everything else covered up here, but you can see it says send money with Zelle. Make sure you know and trust the person. So we're currently on the send option, but there is a request option as well too. So either if somebody does need to send you money or for some people it is an extra verification step that, you know, it is going to the correct person if it's the first time. So from right over here, it is going to show you the account that it's coming out of, which is the account that we clicked on, but you can actually change that if you needed to. It will tell you the total dollar amount you have on the account if you hadn't seen it already, or maybe there was some pending transactions that were going to cause the amount to be different. And then right over here, of course, the most crucial part of this is putting in the email or phone number from the person that you're sending the money to. So make sure you have one of those two options for you. The nice thing is when you hit continue, it will verify that that's the person's name, but you know, just always be a little extra cautious when plugging in the actual email or the actual phone number. And then underneath that, you're going to see an option for the amount that you want to send. Typically, if you're sending small amounts, it's going to be very quick and easy. They'll get it within a few minutes, honestly. But if it's I can't remember the exact amount, but I think if it's over like $1,500 and you're sending it to somebody, especially for the first time, there might be a little bit of a hold on that transfer going through. So just something to keep in mind when it is a much larger amount. And then you can see here, there's an option to add a memo. So if you wanted to put like, you know, a reason or why that happened as far as that transfer, you can go ahead and do that. And then you can do click on the continue button once you have all that information in there. It'll just do a quick review for you, making sure everything looks correct. And then again, verifying the person that you're sending it to, and then you can go ahead and click send. It pulls the money instantaneously from your account. So don't, you know, make sure you don't put anything less than what you can actually send, because it's not going to be something that takes days to get pulled from your account. It will just instantaneously disappear from yours, and again, go over to the next person fairly quickly. Now, I want you to learn more when it comes to actually utilizing Zelle. So click on this next video right over here to keep on learning. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.